time to make this look like this. Take them screws out. Cut out the middle with your crappy knife. Take your stuff over here. Use 2 hands though. Looks like this afterwards. Cut your wire off right there, right there. Now clean up all the rust and adhesive and stuff off of here. You can use a Scotch-Brite or sanding disc or however you want to do that. Just make sure it's fairly rust-free. But before you sand it, you're going to want to get all this adhesive crap off of here. Good mineral spirits or xylene or something will help with that. That's good enough. So after I get it polished up as good as I can stand it, and I use some of this rust reformer from Rust-Oleum to just make sure that it converts any rust that is left on there. That way we don't have to worry about it rusting in the future. That is a paintable primer, so after that you can paint it whatever color you want to. Before you go any farther, you want to pop this dude back in and get yourself a good alignment here. So what you don't want to do is have it touching the window or anything like that when it's open. Just hold this up here like you want it, then put your pencil mark right through that hole. Now we're going to take this back off and we're going to drill this second hole somewhere in here. And take that dude off. Drill you a hole parallel with the other one. Take it back out there. And you fit it. Line that up with that mark and make your other mark right there on your wood. Take your wood off, drill both. You want to use these rivets here. I got 3/16 by 3/4 with a large head, so I wanted to get some extra surface area on there. And you just pop them in. Make sure you get a rivet gun. They sell them at Harbor Freight for like $5. All right, got my other hole marked. I want to hit this with some paint. Of course, take this off. Make sure you don't get any on this area right here. And then before you drill and everything, or after you drill, if you want to, you can stain this or whatever you want to do. I just prefer the lighter color on mine. I got my holes drilled. You'll notice there's a little bit of tear out. That's not a big deal. That's why we got these big heads on here. And there you go. There's the finished product. What do you guys think?